Hey guys, Dennis Foster, Foster's Yacht Services, located at the beautiful Lauderdale Marine Center. And as you can see, I'm with Gustavo from G&H Marine Canvas, and he's doing a big enclosure for us on one of our 55-foot boats out there. And Gustavo, I see your shop here, and they added this other extension up there. How's this been working out for you?
Yeah, it's been great. We was like on a pretty high space before. So now that we are the second space, we have all the sewing department on the second space. And on the first floor, we left our CNC cutting machine and the upholstery and layout for patterns and stuff like that.
So they actually scanned took all the measurements and digitized the whole area up on our 55 boat, so that they've got it all digitized and scanned, and then they can cut the material with the computer, and it basically does everything for them except the final sewing on there. And now that he's got extra room, he could probably take on twice as more work. And by the way, when's my job going to be done?
Yeah, we scanned everybody last week.
What's
yeah,
the
so it's
time
on the designing process. So I'm gonna give you some final details on how everything's gonna work.
Is that like 3 to 4 weeks? Something like that?
Yeah, like about 3 weeks. We have it for the 19th of the
Right. Now, if he doesn't have a CNC machine and he doesn't have a scanner and doesn't cut the material, we're talking 5, 6, 7 weeks sometime for that kind of a long, big enclosure up there, which encloses the whole fly bridge. So I'm here again, Dennis Foster with Gustavo from G&H Marine Canvas. My buddy over here sometimes borrows my table, doesn't give me any food, but we'll work on that, you know. And over at Lauderdale Marine Center, and when we get the canvas all wrapped up and it goes on, we'll be back at you to show you the final product, guys. Dennis Foster and
G&H Marine Canvas.
Gustavo.
Thanks.
Signing out, guys.